you know, for the Brembos, but it is what it is, right? So there's that. Over here, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Okay, here it is. This is the video. This is the install video of what you see behind me: the front brakes, the rear brakes, the DBA rotors, the Brembo style calipers. Everything is being installed, and we're doing that all today. I'm gonna show you guys where we are at. Let me turn this around. Right there. Good Speed Performance, located in Scottsdale, AZ. And here's everything that fit in the trunk. Okay. All the boxes, rear rotors, front rotors, calipers, the pads, the brake lines. The whole entire package is right there. So yeah, all right, but before we get this video started, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings to everybody. Let's get this video started. Here we go. All right, y'all, I am back, and the car has the new brakes on it. These are the full 4-piston STI Brembo calipers with the DBA rotors slotted, and I want to show you guys the final product here. Just gonna move. Now I do want to explain something. As you guys can see on these front wheels, let me zoom in here. See them right here? They have different lugs on them. That is right. The brakes did not clear. Even with the 5mm spacers, the wheels, needed new extended wheel studs. Yes, ARP extended wheel studs, and had to use these temporary lugs for now, which they found in the shop. They are open end. I do have brand new Mateki ones coming on Monday, so shout out to Nick from New Provisions Racing. He was able to send me those out. Next day them are out today, so they will be here on Monday, right? Now, with all that being said, you guys can clearly see here the new rotors. Let me actually get this down a little bit. Show you here. Okay, right there. There they are. Still pretty hard to see, huh? Oh man, I don't know if I can get down there anymore. Let me see, right there maybe. Okay, yeah. So there, I was trying to show you guys the clearance right here. This is with, okay, with the 5mm spacer in there. I mean, it is still maybe 0.5 inches of clearing, so it's very close even to this caliper right here. So these are going to all be Mateki, and they're going to be a chromoly blue to more match that color. So don't worry about these. I'm bringing these back Monday to Good Speed Performance, where I got these installed, and we're switching them out for the new open end lugs with the locks. So that's the front. Let me show you the rear. That is the rear. As you guys can see, I still used the other Mateki lugs, and they're closed in for right now. But as I said, this is just temporary, okay? So everything will go according to plan on Monday with the new lugs and locks. Everything will be matching, front and rear. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you think. All the stock pads, everything are in the rear here. camera up there. Okay, up here. Okay, we're all in here. All my camera equipment stuff is all in there. Yeah, there's some sick cars here, let me tell you. But yeah, so that's it. And let me know what you guys think, all right, about these rotors. I'll show you guys one more time here. You can see them right there. They are slotted rear. There's the STI caliper. Okay. And one more time on this wheel. There they are. All right. So here, y'all, is the new lugs installed from Muteki. They are the SR48s. They are forged and they are open end, as you guys can see that right there. Look awesome. They pretty much are close to matching that blue. I mean, there's nothing else out there that's gonna match that custom paint color that, you know, for the Brembos, but it is what it is, right? So there's that. Over here is the front, and as you can see, they're open end. Not sure if they make caps for these like they do for the R40 Iconics, but you can always give that a whirl down the road. Let me know what you guys think. This is what it looks like fully done. All the new lugs are on. These do have locks, so they both come with keys. Yeah. Okay. All right, hold up. All right, everyone. Hope you did enjoy that video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. You guys leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the new brake setup. The BBK is installed. Have the new lugs and everything on there. The spacers are there. The extended wheel lugs are there on the front, right? We had to use the extended wheel lugs, and you guys saw the temporary lugs that were installed previously, which the shop, Good Speed Performance, lended to me so I can get home that day. But yeah, it wasn't much of a hassle of the install. It's just the extended wheel studs we needed, and we needed new lugs, obviously, to fit over the extended wheel studs. So that part was kind of a chore. It's a long story, but I had to travel all the way to Santan to pick it up from this dude, and that was an hour and 28-minute drive each way. But shout out to Nick at Provisions Racing. He was able to guide me through that whole process, say, hey, I got somebody in Arizona that has a set right now, but you need to go pick them up. I was like, say no more. I went with the girl I'm dating, and boom, we were in there like an hour 28 minutes, came back, another hour and 28-minute drive. It was a lot, but it was all worth it. So shout out to Nick, shout out to Good Speed Racing, and you know, everybody that made this happen. So yeah, that's it for this video, and until next time, you guys, much love, major blessings. This is Skylyfe Projects. Here we go.